Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. In this video, I will show you how to set up playlist wallpaper for your desktop with animated background. As you see, after finish, you will have a new desktop like that. Okay, let's go. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have a zip file, you exact file. You have a folder with playlist wallpaper file inside. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store and download app playlist wallpaper. This app will help you set up playlist wallpaper for your desktop. You click open to run app. In this window, you click add wallpaper. Click open and links to folder with playlist wallpaper file inside. You select it, click OK, and you see my desktop already changed to a playlist wallpaper. Okay, and you click to close this app. This screen minimize to system change. Okay. Now you right click, view, unstick the desktop icon. As you see, my desktop was clean. You can make your desktop look more clean by hide on icon in start bar by right click and unspin. About 3 app, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and change to off. Okay, now have only start icon in start bar. Next, you go to Microsoft Store and search up just as Solution TP and click install. You click open. This app will help you make start bar become transparent. And you see, my start bar already changed to transparent. You click continue. Okay. Now you can change setup by icon in system change. You left click, go to desktop, on option in here, clear is transparent. Okay. So I already finished setup playlist wallpaper with animated background. You can also make your desktop icon looks better by go to my channel. This is my channel. You go to playlist and skin rainmeter for desktop. In this playlist, you can review and select for you one skin rainmeter package which you like, and follow my guide to set up for your desktop. I will start update more packages in this playlist. So I already showed you how to set up animated playlist wallpaper for desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.